Now that we've learned about the Northeast region and the Southeast region of the United States, let's travel to the Southwest region. The Southwest region is known for its deserts, canyons, and wide open spaces. Let's explore the 4 amazing states of the Southwest region: Texas, Oklahoma, New Mexico, and Arizona. The first state in the Southwest region of the United States is Texas. The capital of Texas is Austin. Austin is famous for music, colorful murals, and beautiful parks. It's called the live music capital of the world because you can hear bands playing music every day. Texas is the second biggest state in the United States. In the lower 48 states, Texas is the biggest. Alaska is the biggest of all 50 states. Alaska has more than 600,000 square miles, and Texas has more than 200,000 square miles. The official state snack of Texas is chips and salsa. In Texas, salsa is more popular than ketchup. Cowboy hats and boots are still a symbol of Texas pride. Sometimes Texans wear cowboy hats and boots, including at fun music events, festivals, and fairs. It's a fun way to celebrate the history and style of Texas. Texas has the largest bat colony in the world. Every summer evening, over 1.5 million bats fly out from under the Congress Avenue Bridge in Austin. At sunset, people gather on the bridge to watch the sky fill with millions of bats.